Here's 3 pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, Winton area. They've been marked out, or a couple of the pieces have been marked out with permanent marker. The cutters hasn't gone any further. It's got quite a nice flush there. It's a little bit concave. This piece again has been marked with a indelible permanent marker. Ready just to face. Lastly, this little piece, that's not permanent marker, that's the ironstone popping its head up through the middle. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.